Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt something strange, something deep, something ancient, as if the universe itself is watching you back? Every star you see, and even the ones you never will, may be home to oceans you've never imagined, skies unlike anything on Earth, and lands where gravity bends reality itself. For thousands of years, humans have wondered, are we alone? But maybe we've been asking the wrong question. The mystery is, how many kinds of life could exist in worlds far different from our own? Today, we're not just going to explore planets. We're going to step into alien worlds, places where the rules of life rewrite themselves, where creatures evolve in ways our science can barely describe, where the impossible becomes normal. So relax, breathe, and prepare. Because what you're about to see is not science fiction. It's the closest we've ever come to understanding the worlds that might exist beyond our imagination. Worlds with different laws of life. Space is unimaginably vast. There are more planets than grains of sand on Earth. And among them, scientists believe millions lie in the habitable zone, regions where life could exist. But alien life doesn't need to look like us. It doesn't even need water or oxygen. On some worlds, life could evolve using chemicals we consider toxic. Imagine a world where creatures swim in liquid methane instead of water, or a planet where the skies are orange and lightning strikes every few seconds, giving birth to electrical life forms feeding on energy itself. Some worlds orbit red dwarf stars, small but violent. Their planets are locked with one face forever in daylight and the other forever in night. Creatures there might evolve massive reflective skin to survive the heat, or glowing bodies to hunt in eternal darkness. Life on high-gravity planets. Picture a planet twice as large as Earth, its gravity so strong that humans could barely stand. Life there would grow short, muscular, and incredibly dense. Trees would be thick and twisted. Creatures would crawl rather than walk because standing tall would be impossible. But evolution always finds a way. Imagine flat-bodied predators sliding close to the ground, huge insect-like animals with reinforced bones, or even intelligent beings with compact bodies evolved to survive crushing gravity. Their architecture would be horizontal, their cities built low, their movements slow but powerful. A world where strength isn't a choice, it's survival. Alien worlds with 2 or 3 suns. Now imagine living on a planet with 2 suns. Every sunrise paints the sky gold and red. Every sunset stretches for hours. Temperatures swing dramatically. Life must adapt quickly or die. Plants might evolve mirror-like leaves to reflect the burning light. Animals might burrow underground to escape the heat. And on worlds with 3 suns, night might never come. Creatures there would develop extreme resistance to radiation. Eyes would evolve differently, maybe multiple layers, maybe no eyes at all. A world without darkness. Fully ocean-covered planets. Now picture a planet with no land at all. Just endless ocean, deeper than any trench on Earth. Life would flourish underwater. Gigantic floating forests, huge jelly-like organisms kilometers wide, predators with bioluminescent lures drawing victims into eternal darkness. And deep below, near volcanic vents, intelligent aquatic beings might evolve, creatures that communicate through vibration, light, and electric pulses. Their world would be silent, peaceful, and alien beyond imagination. Frozen worlds with hidden warm oceans. In our own solar system, moons like Europa and Enceladus hide warm oceans beneath thick ice. Picture a frozen world, silent, white, seemingly dead. But deep below the ice, entire ecosystems exist. Creatures living in complete darkness. Life feeding on chemical energy, not sunlight. Intelligent life here might never see the stars. Their history would unfold completely underwater, in molten caverns glowing faint blue. They would believe the ice ceiling is the sky. They would think the universe ends there. Imagine their reaction if they ever broke through the ice and saw the galaxy for the first time. Energy-based life forms. Now imagine life not made of flesh, but energy. Creatures living inside gas giants, feeding on storms and lightning. Beings without bones or blood. Shapes made of plasma, capable of changing form. Life that glows, vibrates, thinks, but never dies the way we understand death. Science can't prove this exists, but according to physics, such life forms are possible. Intelligent alien civilizations. If intelligent alien civilizations exist, and statistically they almost certainly do, they might be thousands or even millions of years more advanced than we are. Think about that. 1,000,000 years of evolution. 1,000,000 years of technology. We can't predict what they look like. But we can predict one thing: they will not think like us. They may communicate through chemicals, light, colors, or telepathy-like signals. They may not speak. They may not sleep. They may not even have physical bodies. Some may live in virtual worlds. Some may merge with machines. Some may travel between stars using technologies we haven't even imagined. They might observe us silently, just as humans watch animals in the wild, with curiosity, not hostility. Have they already seen us? Astronomers estimate that Earth has been visible to other civilizations for billions of years. Our radio signals travel through space like fingerprints. Our atmosphere glows with signs of life, and our planet stands out like a blue gem in a sea of darkness. If intelligent beings exist, they already know we're here. The real question isn't, have aliens found us? The real question is, why haven't they contacted us? Maybe we're too primitive. Maybe they're waiting. Or maybe we aren't looking in the right way. What happens if we meet? Contact with alien life, whether simple bacteria or advanced intelligence, would change everything. It would change our science, our religion, our understanding of life, and our place in the universe. We would no longer ask, are we alone? We would ask, how many others are out there? Outro. The universe is not empty. It is overflowing with possibilities. Every star, every planet, every world is a story waiting to be discovered. Maybe alien life is rare. Maybe it is everywhere. But one thing is certain: the universe is too big, too beautiful, too mysterious for us to be its only witnesses. So tonight, when you look at the sky, remember, you are not just watching stars. You are looking into alien worlds, worlds that may already be watching us back.